In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple businesses in one subscription, if you're working with more than one business unit under the same account. Keeping everything organized is really important. A simple way to do that is by turning on location tracking and then using that feature to separate your transactions by business, store, or division. This makes your records cleaner and helps you review performance more accurately later on. To get started, make sure your account is on a Plus or Advanced subscription plan, since location tracking is available there. Once that's confirmed, go to the top right corner of your screen, click the gear icon and then select Account and Settings. This is where you'll manage the features that affect how your company file works. Inside Account and Settings, choose the Advanced tab from the menu on the left. Then scroll until you find the Categories section. In that section, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. You'll see an option to turn on location tracking. Switch that on so the system can start assigning transactions to different parts of your business. After that, you can customize the label. By default, it may say location, but you can change that to something that better fits how you organize your operations, such as business, store, or division. Choose the label that makes the most sense for your setup, then click Save. This small change can make the feature much easier to understand when you're entering transactions later. Once location tracking is enabled, you can begin assigning transactions. Open any expense bill or sales transaction and look for the new location or business drop-down field that has been added to the form. As you enter data, make sure you select the correct business name for each individual transaction line. This part is especially important because if you leave items unassigned, your reporting may not reflect the true performance of each business. When you want to review how each business is doing, go to the Reports tab. From there, you can run reports like profit and loss or balance sheet statements and use the available filters to view results for a single business location. This gives you a much clearer picture of income, expenses, and overall financial performance for each part of your operation. With the right setup and consistent transaction assignment, managing multiple businesses in one subscription becomes much more organized and far easier to report on. That's all. Thanks for watching.